Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Gyaos from the new Gamera Rebirth show on Netflix. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Gyaos from Gamera Rebirth, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down for the eye. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come back to kind of show where the other eye would be. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to come down and bring it around like this to kind of shape out the mouth. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and it's going to go down like this to show that the mouth really stretches out as it opens. Then starting in here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down like this to a point, and then it's going to come back here. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to connect it to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then back. Then I'm going to bring this line over and then up to kind of shape out the jaw. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come over to here. And then I'm going to add a few kind of little wrinkle lines underneath here for some detail. I'm also going to add some pointed, sharp teeth right along here as well. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to a point, and I'm going to bring it down to about here. And then I'm just going to connect it to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it out and down to here for the horns. Then I'm going to bring this line up and add a few more extra little lines kind of around here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up. And I'm going to bring this line down and then up, and we'll just kind of curve it to here for the neck. Next, you want to make a few kind of little curved lines. And I'm going to bring this line down and then up to here. I'm going to make a few more little lines. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up to kind of form the knee. Then I'm going to bring this line down to a point and then up for one of the toes. Let's bring another one a little bit longer down. And then one more right here. Let's bring this up and in. And let's bring this up and then down to here. We'll bring this part of the leg over. And then this part up and then into here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back for the other leg. Then we'll bring this down to a point and up. Another one to a point up, and then one more to a point, and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and then a line over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come out to here. I'm going to bring this line right up to here, and I'm going to put 2 curved claws on it. Next, I'm going to bring this one out here to a point, and then I'm going to bring it back here. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve into here for the arm. I'm going to bring this line in and out to a point, and then we're going to bring it over. I'm going to bring this one down to a point, and then up. And then we're going to do this one down to a point, and then right up to here. And then I'm going to bring this line right over to here to kind of shape out the back. Next, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to the horn. We're going to jump right over here. I'm going to put 2 claws right here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve it around. I'm going to bring this line out to a curve and then up. And then another one. We're going to make this one out to like a curve, and we're going to bring this around and down. Kind of how we can see the underside of one wing and then the top side of the other wing. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw this line. It's going to come down to here. And then as I bring it back up, I'm going to put some kind of textured little bumps in here all the way around just to give it a little bit of detail and a little more texture. Now I want to come in here and kind of define where all these claws are. So I'm just going to add some curved lines right by all these claws, and then add a little line or 2 above each one just to give it a little bit of detail. We'll put a little claw at the end of each one of these. And we'll do that same thing, a little extra line or 2 for some detail. Same thing over here on all these. And even up here as well. Now, Gyaos is going to have these kind of like little bumpy spikes kind of going all the way down his neck and then down his body, so we're just going to make some of these. Then he's also going to have some of these bumpy kind of spikes going up his back as well, so we're going to make them get a little bit bigger back here. We're going to kind of put them along here, and then we're going to make them kind of run all the way down the tail too, so they're just going to kind of go up and then back down. Make them go small, and then we're going to make them get bigger kind of towards the end. I'm going to make a long kind of broken line here, and then one that comes out to here too and back towards the body to kind of define the arm. And then we're going to make some little long broken lines right around here. And then some more broken lines right around here too. Now I like to come in here and add some different details. So I like to add some little details right around the mouth here, along the top and the bottom, just to kind of help add some wrinkles, some texture. Gonna add a couple more here. And then some lines kind of right around the head too. going to add this kind of long broken line right around the neck. And then some extra little lines coming down the top and the bottom of the neck here. So we're going to add a few kind of right around the arms. We'll add some little curve lines right around each knee, just to kind of help define it. And then add some extra little lines all around here. Even put a few extra ones on the feet. And even on the tail, you can kind of curve some extra lines right around here. And maybe even run a line or two coming down. And then on the wings, just some long, quick, broken lines like this will really add a bunch of detail into there. We can do this on the top and on the bottom of each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of Gyaos from Gamera Rebirth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.